Morning students, I am Arun Benedict, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. So today in this video, I am going to discuss about data models in RDBMS. So first of all, what is data model? So data model is a collection of conceptual tools for describing data relationships and semantics and consistency constraints. So basically there are three different groups in data models. One is object based logical models, record based logical models, another one is physical data models. We'll see one by one. First thing, object based logical model. So what do you mean by object based logical model? Object based logical models are used in describing data at the logical and view levels. They provide fairly flexible capabilities and allow data constraints to be specified explicitly. So in this object based logical model, it further divided into four categories: the entity relationship model, the object oriented model, the semantic data model, the functional data model. First thing, the entity relationship model. So entity relationship model, shortly called as ER model. An entity is a thing or object in the real world which is distinguishable from other objects. Entities are described in a database by a set of attributes. A relationship is an association among several entities. The entity relationship data model is a collection of basic objects called entities and relationships among those objects. The set of all entities of same type and relationship of same type are termed as entity sets and relationship set respectively. The number of entities to which another entity can be associated via a relationship set is called mapping cardinality. Then second model, object oriented model. The object oriented model is based on a collection of objects. An object contains values stored in instance variable within the objects. An object contains bodies of code that operate on the object. These objects of code are called methods. Objects that contain the same type of values and the same methods are grouped together into classes. Then second main model, record based logical model. Record based logical models are used in describing data at the logical and view levels. They are used both to specify the overall logical structure of the database and to provide a higher level description of the implementation. In record based data model, the database structure is fixed format records. Each record types a fixed number of fields or attributes, and each field is usually of fixed length. So in this record based logical model, it further divided into three models: relational model, network model, and third one is hierarchical model. First, a relational model. The relational model represents data and the relationship among data by a collection of tables, each of which has a number of columns with unique names. You can see the table customer database and account database. So in this customer database, we have 5 fields: customer name, social security number, customer street, then customer city, then account number. In the account database, we have 2 fields: account number and balance. So basically this relational model is used to store the information in a 2D format, that means a tabular column format. Next, network model. Data in the network model are represented by a collection of records, and relationship among data are represented by links which can be viewed as pointers. You see in the picture there will be two tables, customer table and account table. Customer Johnson is related with the account number A101 and A201. Customer Smith is related with the account number A215 and A201. Like that, all the customers are related with the another table by links. This is called network model. So when a data are represented by a links, then it is called network model. Then third one is hierarchical model. The hierarchical model is similar to the network model in the sense the data and relationship among data are represented by records and links respectively. So in this you can see a tree structure. So all the records are represented in a tree structure. See here Johnson. So under Johnson is two accounts are related with the Johnson. So like that the information are represented like a tree structure is called hierarchical model. Then the last model, main model, physical data model. Physical data model are used to describe data at the lowest level is called physical level. So in this physical level there will be two models, unifying model and frame memory model. Thank you.